Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Bharti Airtel. Friends, they announced their Q4 results today. And friends, previously one of the main area where we missed means this is the area we missed recently. So friends, we observe if this point will break up on upside, we thought that it will go on up movement, but friends, at that position the share moved to downward side. See here friends, if you observe here the high and lows after total point, it moved downward side and taken as 500 as support and moved to up. And friends, in this area, when the stock here 20 days moving average crossed like 8 days moving average cost 20 days moving average, then it's a buy call and it moved. But here if you observe here, the 20 days moving average came on upside, so it's a sell call friends. So what I am going to say is Bharti Airtel given a mixed results today. And if you see here, it given like a consecutive second quarter profit. Previously continuous total 6 quarters it posted like negative results. If you observe here, like 2800 crores minus 23,000 minus 10 crores minus 5,000 crores minus 15,000 crores minus 700 crores. But last quarter it posted positive results, and this quarter also it posted positive results. But compared to last March, the results are very good. But compared to Q to Q, that means same year Q to Q, the results are not at all good. But what we are going to see with this results means it is maintaining its profit, its revenue. So it's not a problem at all for Bharti Airtel share present where it is trading. And if you see here, the small loss which got from Q to Q due to its IUC base. This is one of the thing which given by Troy, which is that whenever telecos pay to other telecos, if their subscribers talk with the other rival networks, it stood 6 pice per minute. So if Airtel customers called to Geo customers, then Airtel has to pay to Geo as 6 pice per minute friends. So this is called IUC charges. So with this, Bharti Airtel loses some revenue and profit, and ARPU average revenue generated person per unit friends. If you see here, IUC impact dragging AP ARPU to 145, previously it is 166. This is the only reason that the revenue which got lower. And Geo also posted similar type results. Compared to last quarter, Geo revenue also decreased a little bit on telecom side, and the company told that they are having good growth on homegrown home areas like broadband services and all the things. And Airtel added over 14 million subscribers in India. And see here, they said like our mobile revenue grows 19% year on year, and strong momentum in home businesses with 2,74,000 net ads. And friends, the company also mentioning their enterprise segment delivered double digit growth, and their digital assets continue scale, and they are bringing strong traction in monetization of these assets. That means Bharti Airtel planning to sell their digital assets in coming days. So this is the main important thing where we are going to see. And friends, Airtel itself today falls like 2% and went up to 548. But friends, I am expecting there will be no up and no down for this price value tomorrow. And friends, if you observe the another things like Bharti Airtel given like offers with more data and benefits during the pandemic, it introduced it today. and new offers, friends. There more data and other benefits to easily communicate during the ongoing pandemic. That means, friends, if you observe or not, I already mentioned, like if you see, there will be a continuous lockdowns in India because of vaccination. How much fast we are going to vaccinate, then we are allowed to roam on roads. So this was the main thing. Like telecom operators know it will take nearly 3 months to 4 months itself to vaccinate 45 above aged. Completely, it will take 4 months for only 45 years above aged. So that's why Airtel taken this decision. And if you see here, like it is providing some free benefit packs, like 79 rupees and 49 rupees pack being offered to over 55 million low income people for free. So it's a very 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 good opportunity on like Airtel to attract some peoples on a low income side. Now they will take like some of the what you call phones, like new connections. So this is very good for them. And the 49 rupees pack provides people with a talk time of 38 and 100 MB of 4GB data. Once provided is used up, people will able to access the internet, and the plan comes with validity of 28 days. And friends, this a very good initiation taken by the company, and we are grateful to this. And friends, if you observe, next thing which we are going to see is Airtel offers free recharge packs to low income customers. These all are the things what we are going to see now. And friends, uh, the share today fallen due to this is the only reason. They are providing to benefit low income users, and those worth the 270 crores. So friends, the target what behind this means number of subscribers, number of data. This is the new world, friends, where you have more data, you are the king. Data is new oil. So friends, that's the main thing. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel.